Good morning, students. Students, exercise 4.3.
Sir, you are not audible clearly.
Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Now my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Exercise 4.3. Question number first, second part. Student, in second part, your quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Avinash Kumar, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Student, please tell me that what are the value of A, B and C? What is A?
Eight,
A is
two,
2. B is 1
one,
and C is
1
minus
minus 4.
4. Student, first of all, we check that the roots of quadratic equation will exist or not. Then what will you do? Student,
minus 4 and then we find that it is equal to
Capital
0
D.
less than this or more than.
capital D, discriminant we will find, that is b square minus 4ac. Students, solve it. Replace the value of b with 1. 1 square 4. What is a? A is 1 and c is minus 4. Capital D.
So A is 2.
Yes, sir. A is 2. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Square of 1 is 1, minus minus plus 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 4, 32. Now student, capital D is equal to 33. Lagna Jita, we have find out the value of capital D, that is 33. Now student, please tell me that what are the nature of roots? आपके जो roots होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? Please tell me what are the nature of roots if D is equal to 33? Yes students, greater than 0. Yes Lagna Jita, you are right, but please tell me that if D is greater than 0, what are the nature of roots?
Two distinct real roots.
Very good. Two distinct real roots. Students, now D greater than 0, then given quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Now student, we have observed that the given quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. It means root exist or not? Ankita,
Yes, sir.
the roots of quadratic equation will exist or not?
Yes, sir.
Exist. If a root of quadratic equation will exist, we will find the roots of quadratic equation by using completing square method. Yes, students. I can consider that completing square method is a lengthy method.
क्या attendance is? What's the attendance?
Yes, sir.
38. What is the response when they are called? Parents response. 20 hours. क्या कहते हैं?
Students, most of the parents did not attend the PTM. In 10th A, only 10 parents attend the PTM, but out of 27, 17 parents did not attend the PTM. What is the reason? Principal sir is asking to you. Yes, students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Principal sir is asking that most of the parents did not attend the PTM. What is the reason? Student, no response towards your end. No response towards your end.
Sir, my mother has told me.
Some parents attend the PTM, but some parents did not attend the PTM.
Sir, my parents tomorrow they will attend the PTM.
Okay, fine. As soon as possible, attend the PTM. Students, now we will find the roots of quadratic equation by using completing square method. Find roots of quadratic equation by using completing square method. Completing square method. Students, completing square method. Your quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Swasti,
Yes, sir.
to solve the quadratic equation by completing square method, what will be the first step?
So first, we will divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x square.
Yes, sir. Coefficient of x square is
2.
2. Dividing equation 1 by 2. After dividing equation by 2, we get 2x square divided by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 equal to 0. Now student, 2 cancel out. Your equation becomes x square plus x by 2. 2 to 2 cancel out, that is equal to 2. X square plus x by 2 is equal to 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
x square plus x by 2 is equal to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Student, from starting, please check it. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. Any type of doubt, you can ask me.
Sir, please ask Akash Pal has just joined. Abhi joined here, sir.
Akash Pal. Akash Pal.
Abhi joined here, sir.
Akash Pal. Am I audible to you? Akash Pal. Are you present in the class? Akash Pal.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
छोड़ दो.
sir, my video is on, but why my photo is not showing in the screen?
Student, number of students is limited on the screen. Only 20 students can be seen on the screen. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Sir, may I tell the second step?
Yes. Wait. Now, students, your equation becomes x square plus x by 2 is equal to 2. Yes, Pragati. Are you very excited? Please tell me what is the next step?
Sir, we will add the square of half of the coefficient of x on both sides.
Yes. Student, next step you can write such as that is twice of ax. Twice of ax is equal to middle term. Your middle term will be x by 2. Twice of ax is equal to x by 2. By using this method, you can find out the value of a. Student, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, student.
Is equal to 1/4.
फास्ट तो नहीं हूँ मैं, मेरी स्पीड फास्ट तो नहीं है.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, students. X cancel out. Now what is a? Now student, twice of a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. It becomes a is equal to 1 by 4. Now student, what is a square? A square means 1 by 4 square. Student, any doubt, any problems up to here?
Oh.
Kassis?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
यहाँ तो कोई डाउट, क्योंकि कल आप कहते कि सर लेंथी मेथड है ये, तो लेंथी तो होगा, क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. But मुझे समझ में आ रहा है.
आ रहा है ना? क्योंकि अगर पर्टिकुलर उन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया कि यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय दिस मेथड, ठीक ना? यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट. जैसे कल मैंने आपको वर्कशीट दी, आपको वीकली टेस्ट दिया था. आई हैव गिवन यू ए वीकली टेस्ट yesterday. I have mentioned properly that solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method, solve the linear equation by substitution method, solve the linear equation by cross multiplication method. I have clearly mentioned on the top. If you will change the method, marks will be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. Now student, come to the point. Student, A square. Yes. Who has doubt? Who has doubt? Who has doubt? Who has doubt?
Sir, I am not the doubt.
Who is one? Who ask me?
Sir, Priya.
Priya, ask me.
Sir, can you show the whiteboard one?
Okay, student. This one. This is your whiteboard. Yes.
Sir, here in the first step you have written x square plus x upon 2 equal to. So here also we can, in place of 2, we can also write 1 by 2 to make it half.
Yes, student. You can do such as that is in many in your NCERT books, in your RD Sharma, it is written such as coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2 and half of it, that is 1 by 2, and square of it, that is 1 by 4 square. जैसे अभी प्रगति कर रही है कि सर ऐसे करना है. Yes, this is correct, no problems. There are so many methods to solve it.
Sir, this method has been given in RD Sharma.
Yes, students, I know this is given in RD Sharma, no problems. क्योंकि क्या है स्टूडेंट, पहले मैं इसी मेथड से करवाता था, लेकिन फिर मैंने मेथड चेंज कर दिया थोड़ा सा, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आएगी कि कैसे हो रहा है, क्या नहीं है, जो हमें इजी लगता है हम उसको अटेंड करते हैं. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप
So sir, can I do this?
Yes, no problem. स्टूडेंट्स मार्क्स तब करते हैं जब आपका कोई मेथड क्या है, सेंसिबल मेथड नहीं होता, इसकी कोई सेंस नहीं होती, तब मार्क्स करते हैं. इस करेक्ट मेथड, ये मेथड करेक्ट आपका, गलत नहीं है. आप यू कैन यूज इट. एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No sir.
ओके स्टूडेंट, आपकी जो वैल्यू है वो यही आएगी. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट कैन यू डू?
Adding a square on both the sides.
Adding a square, adding a square on both sides. On both sides we get adding a square on both sides we get. Now students, your equation is x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Adding on left side and 2 plus 1 by 2 adding on right hand side. Now student, it becomes x. Student, a square plus 2ab plus b square.
X plus 1 by 4 whole square.
Student, listen to me. Student, listen to me. Here x के साथ इसका साइन है, प्लस का साइन है, माइनस का साइन है. Student, it means the formula will be a plus b whole square. अगर यहाँ पे if there will be minus sign with x, the formula will be a minus b. Yes student. X plus 1 by 4 whole square. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No.
Okay students. Now 2 plus square of 1 by 4. 1 by 16. Solve it. X plus 1 by 4 whole square. LCM 2 by 1. LCM is 16. 32. That is 16 to the 32 plus 1. Now student, it becomes x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 by 16. Now student, taking square root on both sides. Students, one question in my mind that what is the difference between square and square root?
Sir,
Yes, students. What is the difference between square and square root?
may I tell?
Will tell. Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Priya, yes. What is the difference
Sir,
between
square,
square is?
sir, in square we do double, but in square root we make the root under the fraction or the number.
Okay, student. Square of 2 is 2 into 2. Yes, student. Please wait. Please wait.
Sir, but in the square root it becomes half.
Student.
No, sir.
Student.
the product of two equal numbers.
Student. Square of 2 is 2 into 2. That is 4. And square root of 4 is a number itself. That is 2. 5 into 5. That is 25. And square root of 25 is 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now, students, taking square root on both sides. X plus 1 by 4. It will take square root on both sides. This square will be cancelled out. This square will be cancelled out. And that is plus minus root 33 by 16.
745
And then it will come out as square. That is 1 upon 4.
Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. Who is? Yes. Kashish, ask me.
Yes, sir. Sir, as it is written plus minus root 33 upon 16. So, sir, as 16 is the square root of 4, but we can't write because 33 should also be the square root of something.
Yes. Definite. Root 33 is you can find out the square of root 33. But if you will write in a root 33, that will be not wrong. It will be a rational number. You can write in root 33. But root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. So it can be you can write such as root 33 by 4. Root 33 by 4. Students, you can write such as x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus root 33 by 4. Student, root 33 is not a perfect square number. Such as 1 is perfect square number, 4 is perfect square number, 9 is perfect square number, 16 is perfect square number, 25 is a perfect square number, but 33 is not a perfect square number. You will write root 33 as it is. But 16 is a perfect square number. So square root of 16 is 4. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Now, student, there will be two cases. In one case, we will take plus sign. In another, we will take as minus sign. Student, x plus minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Students, now x is equal to root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is your first case. And LCM is your 4. LCM is your 4. Now it can be written as root 33 minus 1. Student, any doubt, any problems?
3, 6, 7, 2. Okay, ठीक है. अगर वो भी
Okay, students. Now students, x is equal to root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4. In next steps, students, and x is equal to minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to LCM is 4 minus root 33 minus 1. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट, अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट या प्रॉब्लम इस क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, पूछ सकता है. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, एनी टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क मी. अंकिता, शुभम जादव, मोहम्मद अफजल, यू कैन आस्क मी. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
मेरी स्पीड फास्ट तो नहीं है?
Right, sir. No, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, थर्ड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, थर्ड पार्ट. प्रॉब्लम आ गई. Student, question number 1.
The solution of quadratic